In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bar graph in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Google Docs doesn't have a built-in tool for creating bar graphs from data. Instead, you can create the graph in Google Sheets and then insert that into your document. So what we need to do is open up the Google Docs document where you want the bar graph to appear, and then click onto the insert button and then hover over chart, and then we need to click onto bar. Now it's going to start inserting the bar graph. Then from there we want to go ahead and click on edit in sheets. So make sure to click on edit in sheets. Now this is where we can go ahead and make these edits. So now if we scroll up, we can go ahead and change these inside of here. So I've got an example here. So I've got some sales. I can go ahead and put these sales stats inside of here, and then we can edit the bar graph. So I need to go ahead and change that from points scored to sales. So if you got existing data in a sheet, just go ahead and copy it over, copy and paste it in here and remove the old data and just make your changes nearby. We can make changes to the color of the bar graph, make the changes to the font and all that stuff inside of here. We got chart styles. So yeah, we can change the background. We can change the chart border color. We can make it 3D, maximize font. We can make it wide, narrow, Comic Sans. So yeah, there's a lot of customization what we can do there. Now from here, we need to go ahead and go back to Google Docs. Now if the chart doesn't automatically update, click on the chart and then click on the update button. That's going to update that chart. So some handy tips. So we want to keep the link Google Sheets file if you want to edit the graph for later. If you no longer want the chart link, click the chart, select the chart options and choose unlink. This turns it into a static image. And you can also resize the graph by clicking and dragging its corners around to make it smaller or bigger to fit the screen. And we can move it around as well. We can even turn it on its side.